In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove admin accountant access in Xero. Let's get started by opening up your web browser and heading over to the Xero website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the Xero dashboard, which is your main hub for managing all things related to your financials. Now direct your attention to the top menu bar and locate the Settings tab. Give it a click. This will take you into the section where you can control various account settings, which is essential when you need to make changes to user access permissions. In this settings area, you'll see a number of options, but what we're interested in today is users. Click on Users to move into the User Management section. Here, you'll see a list of all the individuals currently associated with your Xero account. Each user will be visible with their role, including who has that coveted admin accountant access. Find the specific person whose admin accountant access you want to revoke. Once you've located them, take note of the three dots icon situated right beside their name. This is what you'll need to interact with to proceed with removing their access. Clicking these three dots will bring up a small menu that gives you the option to delete the user's access entirely. Make sure you have selected the correct person, as this step will remove their admin rights and access to your Xero account. Once you're sure, go ahead and click on the Delete option. A prompt may appear confirming whether you're certain about this action. Deleting a user with admin access is a significant step, so a double check is a good way to prevent any unintended changes. If you're sure, confirm that you want this individual removed and Xero will process the request. As soon as this is completed, you'll notice the user no longer appears in your list, confirming their access has been successfully revoked. It's as simple as that. This process ensures that only authorized personnel have control over sensitive financial data, thereby enhancing the security of your financial management within Xero. Remember to regularly review who has access to your account and adjust the settings as necessary to maintain the integrity of your financial data. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other guides for more tips on using Xero efficiently. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.